day 19. Good evening, you guys. It's like 9 o'clock. I'm gonna explain to you what happened today, but first I wanted to share with you this freaking adorable velour tracksuit, and it's Juicy Couture. This is the tracksuit I wanted to share with you from Juicy Couture. I'm going to link it down below. I hope they still have the sizes, because I did see this in a couple different colors as well, but this color is more of like a bubblegum pink. It's not an obnoxious bubblegum pink in my opinion. Honestly, I wish it was more of like a blush pink, but you know, the feel of the velour definitely won me over. If you guys remember, Forever 21 collabed with Juicy Couture, and their first round of tracksuits, I purchased one but returned it because the tracksuit material was so stiff. This one is so soft and it is pretty thick. It's a really good material. It has a hood in the back, and it's also a zippered velour jacket with the pockets in the front. It has the Crown logo up here. It also has the Crown logo down here by the pocket. It has 2 pockets, and this is high-waisted. It also has an elastic waistband. Jacket, I did get it in a size small. The velour pants are in a size extra small, but let me share with you really quickly. So if you're short, because I'm 4'9¼ these are really, really long on me. I need to get them hemmed. If you're a shorty, these are gonna be really long, but if you're tall, then I think these are gonna fit you just fine. That's today's outfit. Let's grab a pillow. Yesterday I mentioned to you guys that today I wanted to tackle something that was on my list of to-dos, but I edited the Chicmas from yesterday, and then I edited the Six Flags Magic Mountain vlog on the second channel. Those videos are both live now, but I think I've just been editing and uploading so much that my MacBook ended up saying that I needed to free up space because I had no more memory left. So I was trying to finish up the Six Flags vlog because that was the last video I edited, and it was so slow, like really, really slow. It would freeze between frames, so it took me a very, very long time, and then I had to film a campaign which I had to submit today as well, and that clip was very, very short, but it took me an hour and a half just to edit that because it was skipping, so I couldn't really tell if the clips were meshing well together. Really make sure that I delete a lot of stuff on my MacBook later this evening, or else tomorrow it's just gonna be a nightmare. A little bit earlier, there was a community boat parade and car parade where everybody decorates, you know, their boats and cars, and they always have that every year. I think because of the pandemic they had to stop doing that. I don't know if it was last year or the year before. We made sure to go outside and watch the parade, which was so nice to see because, you know, everybody was just greeting everyone happy holidays, Merry Christmas. There were adults and kids, teenagers, and it was just so wonderful to see that. And yeah, a lot of the neighbors came out and watched it too, so we ended up watching that for a bit. Tonight we actually have to tackle something that needs to get done because they have to be mailed out tomorrow, the Christmas cards. I've had them for a couple of days now and I still haven't even written one Christmas card, so we are getting that done tonight. Let's actually go get all the supplies. These are the Christmas cards this year. I've had these since last year, but because last year we ended up going to Alaska, and with Chicmas it was just too stressful. Like, I could not even write out Christmas cards last year. So this year for sure we are mailing them out. We were able to get through many Christmas cards. So I got through these Christmas cards. I just need to seal them and put a stamp. And then we have the other pile of Christmas cards, which still needs the address because my mom's address folder has a bunch of different names. Some of them are X'd out, so I'd rather just wait and ask her. So I don't make a mistake on any of the addresses. I'm glad that we were able to at least finish up with the Christmas cards. I do have a little bit left, but I feel like I'm missing some people because I didn't make a list, which I should have done in the first place, but I didn't. So I'm pretty sure tomorrow I'm gonna remember that I forgot so-and-so. I'm gonna clean up and we are gonna unbox a goodie that came in the mail today. You know what time it is. It is time for us to have tea together. We're gonna open our advent calendars, and I'm also gonna unbox a package really quickly. I thought we would be able to make it in time before the lights shut off, but they just shut off 4 minutes ago. Let me know what you guys ended up doing this past weekend. So let's go ahead and open the 24 Reasons to Smile T2 Advent Calendar day number 19. Right down here. And you get the first look. And it says, you can never have too much tea or gratitude. 100%, yes. And today's tea is called Banana Bake. That's interesting. It smells like banana bread. Luckily this time there's enough tea leaves.
Good night.
Let's go ahead and open the XO Marshmallow Advent Calendar day number 19. It says, like getting coal in your stocking, you know what you did. That's a very odd hint for today's marshmallow. Kind of gray. It has an odd scent to it. I don't know. This one's a really strange one. It has a weird taste to it. So I can't even lock in a guess because it tastes very odd. Okay, so let's see what it is. Cookies and cream? Oh shoot, I accidentally opened door 25. It had this like texture. You know when you're like chewing on an Oreo? I had that kind of texture. But yeah, that was an odd one. Banana Bake. Robust black tea with hints of banana bake you away to a picture-perfect winter's day. All snuggled up with a cuppa and munching on a warm loaf of banana bread. And the steep time is 2 to 3 minutes. This really does smell like banana bread. Oh, it smells good. Oh, this is very good. It's like spot on banana bread. Spot on. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I wanted to unbox this with you. It did arrive, I believe it was today. I think this is from Revlon, if I'm not mistaken. Open it together. It is a little bit heavy. Oh! Oh my gosh, wait! Wait, is this from Revlon? Yeah, it is from Revlon. Oh, no. No, it spilled. Hold on, something fell. Wait a second. Oh my gosh. They gave a whole bunch of these to the Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken. Wait, hold on. I want to put together this container. Everything's spilled. It even says Revlon on it. It's a customized coffee press. This is so cool. I've never tried a coffee press before. I know that the beans aren't supposed to go down there, but I just wanted to put it in the container, and it's rose gold. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Revlon. It's the Pinky Up Piper Rose Gold Press Pot. Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken Caffeine Plus Vitamin C 24-hour 5-in-1 Concealer. This is your wake-up call. Revlon New Color Stay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer. Get a wide-eyed, wide-awake look with 24-hour wear. It works 5 different ways to erase, perfect, brighten, hydrate, and refresh, infused with vitamin C to help brighten skin and caffeine to awaken your look. Flexible wear moves with skin, so there's no settle, no cake, no flake. An antibacterial sponge tip targets application for natural buildable coverage while preventing bacteria buildup. Free from added parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, and fragrance. Plus, it's transfer proof and life proof in 19 natural finish shades, including a universal neutralizer and universal brightener. That is so awesome. So they have a bunch of different shades in here, meaning to pick up a new concealer, and I will definitely be trying these out. And you guys know for sure I will be throwing some of these in a giveaway. Hint hint, if you guys haven't checked out Chicmas Day, I'm gonna put which one it is, make sure you do check it out. I cannot wait to try this out tomorrow, and I will definitely give you my thoughts. Thank you so much, Revlon. This was such a sweet gift. All right, chickies, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my god. All right, chickies.
I have to do my thing.
Are you gonna do yours?
Yeah, just real quick.
Okay, Darren's gonna open his advent calendar.
All right, number 18.
All of this before it spills.
Oh, it's Dwight as Nye. That's pretty cool.
I'm not very familiar with The Office, so.
Yeah, that one's cool.
Well, as long as you like it, you know, good addition to your little collection.
Yep. All right. Bye.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas Day 19 here. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out today. At least we were able to get some stuff accomplished. We will be heading out tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out for Chicmas Day 19. If you enjoyed hanging out and enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and we will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 20.